Hi everyone and welcome to Doncaster Fear Factory. It's 6 years of fear here at one of the UK's most extreme scare parks. We can't wait to check out what's inside. Lots of new stuff here in 2025, so come and take a look. Okay, so we just entered the hub area here at Doncaster Fear Factory. Again, a really fantastic, exciting area. We've got some waltzers, we've got a top swing kind of KMG afterburner type ride. Also got some stalls over here. You can have some drinking chocolate, also you can have some chocolate covered marshmallows as well potentially. But yeah, so where we're heading next, we're heading to as far back as we can. So we're going to head to the back of the park. We're going to go to Crackle Hill, I think. And then we're going to see where we go from there. So first up is Crackle Hill, so check it out on a bit of spooky vision.
What are you doing here? You shouldn't really be here.
Don't play with me. Please don't play.
Well, we're having a fantastic night here at Doncaster Fear Factory. We've done Crackle Hill. We've also been to Quinlan and Co. Weren't allowed to film in there. However, we did get some audio for the podcast. So if you want to listen to that, you can find us on Spotify or your favourite podcast app. We're just about to go into Diablos. And we're also going to head over to Friargate Foundry. So I'm going to show you a little bit of footage from Friargate Foundry. So let's go Spooky Vision.
Come on, folks. The smell of your life. Rip your skin. Where is the smell of the one? What are we gonna do with you?
In the tight trousers, the one with the tight skin, the one that's gonna look
Oh, it gets awfully lonely in here. You want to be friends?
Ooh, so we're now, it looks like, so they've now got a scare zone a bit deeper into the woods, so it looks like we're entering Uncle Donks scare zone. I'm not sure what to expect. What can we expect? Let's find out.
oh, your eyes, lovely.
Dark corners of the woods, Quinlan's dwells. Plague is there. I would avoid it.
Oh, right.
Because
We
your
should
life-
go that way then, yeah? We should go that way.
Wow, so we just completed Diablos. I won't give it away, but there were certain positions that we had to kind of move our way into. Lots of leg grabbing, lots of nuns getting very close and personal. We're just about to head into our final maze of the night here at Shelton Motel. Really looking forward to it. We're going to be able to do a bit of filming in this one, so let's check out the spooky vision in the Shelton Motel.
Check-in. Right. Well, room 225, 227 are all yours.
We interrupt this program for a special bulletin.
Well, we've had a fantastic evening here at Doncaster Fear Factory. We've checked out of the Shelton Motel. I was a bit sad to see Pogo Club go, but I think that was a really fantastic replacement, so we've really enjoyed it. So if you fancy coming along, check out the website, Doncaster Fear Factory. Also, we'll be putting a podcast out on your favourite podcast app, either on Spotify or Apple, so keep an eye out for that. But in the meantime, we'll see you again real soon.